Hello kids, how are you? Hope you all are safe and fine. I am your junior KG teacher Payal ma'am. Today we will revise that we have learnt before. Capital and small E, F, G and H. See children, these all are your capital or uppercase letters E, F, G and H. And these all are your small alphabets, lowercase letters E, F, G and H. See children, capital and small. E for elephant. Now, see, capital E is given and you have to find small e from surrounding letters. See, this is lowercase e. Say children. No. This is lowercase e. Find children. Say children. No. This is lowercase e. Yes. This is lowercase e. Very good. So, this is capital E and this one is a small letter E. Baby E. Okay children? Capital E and small e. Now, go for another letter. It is F for fish. Capital and small F for fish. Now find small f from surrounding alphabets. This is capital F. Find small f. See, this is small f in the circle. No. This is small f in the circle. Find children. No, very good. This is not F. This is, yes, you are right. This is small f. This is capital F and this is small f. Okay, children? Now you can find capital F and small f both. Understood, children? Now we'll go for another letter G. Capital and small g for God. So, again we have to find small g from the surrounding alphabet. Capital G is given and we have to find small g. In this circle, it is small g is given. No. Okay. Now, this one is small g, children. No, you're right. It's not G. This is G. Yes. Very good, children. This is small letter G. This one is capital G and this one is small letter G. Understood, children? Capital letter G and small letter G together. Now we'll go for another letter H. Capital and small h for hat. Now we will find small h from surrounding alphabets. Capital H is given and in circle we have to find small h. This is small h, children. No, this is not a small h. This one is a small h, children. No, this is also not a small h. Then find, yes, this one is a small h with a capital H. Very nice, children. So, this is capital H and this one is a small h. Okay, children? Capital H and small h together. Understood, children? So today we have revised capital and small E, F, G and H. Now puzzle time. Children, you have to find capital A from this picture. 3A are given. Children, I have sent worksheet. You have to submit it on WhatsApp or you can mail it on school's mail ID. Okay, children. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye bye. Have a nice time.